Coming to the third problem, form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find the solution by substitution method. The first bit given to us is the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. So let us work out this problem. Let the two unknown numbers be x and y. So according to the given problem, the difference between the two numbers is 26. That means x minus y is 26. Also, one number is 3 times the other. So I can write x is equal to 3 times of y. This be equation number 1 and this be equation number 2. So substituting equation number 2 in 1, we get, so in place of x we can substitute 3y. So 3y minus y is equal to 26. 3y minus y is nothing but 2y. 2y is equal to 26. That implies y is equal to 26 divided by 2. So 2 goes in 26 as 13. That gives y is 13. Now substitute the value of y in equation number 2. So this becomes x is equal to 3 times of y, which is 13. 3 times of 13 is 39. Therefore x is equal to 39. So the solutions of the given linear equations are x is equal to 39 and y is equal to 13. Coming to the second bit, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So let us work out the problem. So let x and y be the angles. It is mentioned that they are supplementary. We can say that x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Also, the larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So I assume x be the larger angle. That means x is equal to y plus 18. So we can write x minus y is equal to 18 degrees. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So x is equal to y plus 18. So substitute the value of x in equation number 1. Substitute x is equal to y plus 18 in equation number 1. So in place of x, let us write y plus 18. Y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180. Y plus y is 2y. And let us transpose 18 to the right hand side. This becomes 2y is equal to 180 minus 18. That implies 2y is equal to 162. So y can be written as 162 divided by 2, which is nothing but 81 degrees. Now substitute the value of y, which is 81, in equation number 1. So x plus, in place of y, let us write 81 is equal to 180. So we get x is equal to 180 minus 81. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 81 is 99 degrees. Therefore the two angles are 99 degrees and 81 degrees. Coming to the third bit, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800 rupees. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750 rupees. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So let us work out this problem. Let us assume the cost of each bat is equal to rupees X and the cost of each ball is equal to rupees Y. So we can write 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. Let this be equation number 1. And 3 bats and 5 balls. So we can write 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. Let this be equation number 2. Equation number 2 can be written as 5y is equal to 1750. So 3x can be transposed to right hand side. We will be getting minus 3x. So y is equal to 1750 minus 3x divided by 5. So let us substitute the value of y in equation number 1. So we will be getting 7x plus 6 times of, in place of y we can write 1750 minus 3x divided by 5 is equal to 3800. So the LCM is 5. So 5 multiplied by 7x plus 6 times of 1750 minus 3x is equal to 3800. So 5 multiplied by 7x is 35x plus 6 multiplied by 1750 is 10,500 plus 6 multiplied by minus 3x is minus 18x is equal to 3800 multiplied by 5. So 35x minus 18x gives 17x plus 10,500 is equal to 3800 multiplied by 5 is 19,000. So transposing 10,500 to right hand side, we will be getting 17x is equal to 19,000 minus 10,500. So 17x is equal to 8,500. That implies x is equal to 8,500 divided by 17. So which is nothing but 500. So the value of x is 500. Let us substitute the value of x in equation number 1. That means 7 times of 500 plus 6 times of y is equal to 3800. 7 times of 500 is 3500 plus 6y is equal to 3800. 6y is equal to, transposing 3500 to right hand side, we will be getting 3800 minus 3500. This gives 6y is equal to 3800 minus 3500 is 300. So y is equal to 300 divided by 6. 6 goes in 300 as 50. So y is equal to 50. Therefore y is 50. We have already found the value of x, which is 500. X is nothing but the cost of each bat. So cost of each bat is equal to rupees 500. Y is nothing but the cost of each ball. So the cost of each ball is equal to rupees 50. Moving on to the fourth bit, the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 105 and for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So let us work out the problem. Let the fixed charge be X. Fixed charge be rupees X and Y be the charge for 1 kilometer. So according to the given problem, we can write the linear equations as, so fixed charge is X plus charge for 1 kilometer is Y. Here we have 10 kilometers. So 10Y is equal to rupees 105. And in the second case, fixed charge is rupees X plus, here the journey is 15 kilometers. So we can write 15Y. This is equal to, charge paid was rupees 155. So this is 155. This be equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So second equation can be written as X is equal to 155 minus 15Y. So substituting the value of X in equation number 1, we get (155 minus 15y plus 10y is equal to 105. So transpose 155 to right hand side. We get minus 15y plus 10y is equal to 105 minus 155. Minus 15y plus 10y is nothing but minus 5y. 105 minus 155 is minus 50. Minus and minus will be cancelled on both sides. We get y is equal to 50 divided by 5, which is nothing but y is equal to 10. Therefore, the charge for 1 kilometer is rupees 10. So let us substitute the value of 10 in this equation. We get X is equal to 155 minus 15 times of y is nothing but 10. X is equal to 155 minus 15 times of 10 is 150. Therefore, X is equal to 155 minus 150 is 5. So, the charge for 1 kilometer is rupees 10 and fixed charge is equal to rupees 5. Also, we are asked to find how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers. We found the charge for 1 kilometer is equal to 10 rupees. So, charge for 25 kilometers is equal to 10 rupees multiplied by 25, which is nothing but 250 rupees. Therefore, the charge for 25 kilometers is 250 rupees. Coming to the fifth bit, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So let us work out the solution for this problem. Let the fraction be x by y. So according to the given problem, if 2 is added to numerator as well as the denominator, it becomes 9 by 11. So we can write x plus 2 divided by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11. On cross multiplication, we get 11 times of x plus 2 is equal to 9 times of y plus 2. This is equal to 11x plus 22, which is equal to 9y plus 9 to 18. So rearranging the terms, we get 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. So 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22 is minus 4. So let this be equation number 1. And we have the second case is when 3 is added to the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. So this becomes x plus 3 by y plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6. On cross multiplication, we get 6 times of x plus 3 is equal to 5 times of y plus 3. So this implies 6 multiplied by x is 6x and 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. This is equal to 5 times of y is 5y and 5 times of 3 is 15. That implies 6x, and transposing 5y to left hand side we get minus 5y, and transposing plus 18 to right hand side we get 15 minus 18. This implies 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18 is minus 3. Therefore, the second equation is 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3, which is the second equation. Now, the first equation can be written as 11x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y. That is, x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. So let us substitute the value of x in equation number 2. That is 6 times of x, which is 6 times of minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now the LCM is 11. So 6 times of minus 4 plus 9y minus 5y multiplied by 11 is equal to minus 3. So 6 times of minus 4 is minus 24 plus 6 times of 9y is 54y minus 5y multiplied by 11 is 55y. So 11 can be taken to right hand side. This gives minus 3 multiplied by 11. So this is equal to minus 24. 54y minus 55y is minus y, and this is equal to minus 3 times of 11 is minus 33. So transposing minus 24 to right hand side, we get minus y is equal to minus 33 plus 24. Therefore, minus y is equal to minus 33 plus 24 is minus 9. That gives y is equal to 9. So let us substitute the value of y in equation number 1. 11x minus 9 times of y, which is 9, is equal to minus 4. That implies 11x minus 81 is equal to minus 4, which gives 11x is equal to minus 4 plus 81, which is nothing but 11x is equal to 77, which is x is equal to 77 by 11, which is 7. Therefore, we found the value of x as 7, and the value of y is 9. Hence the required fraction is equal to x by y, which is nothing but 7 by 9. The required fraction is 7 by 9.